Hello, welcome to QuickTable. Today we are going to be talking about how to connect QuickTable to a Snowflake data warehouse. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your QuickTable to Snowflake data warehouse, and I will show you how it will help you ease your programming stress, and it will help you save some time. So let's go right into it. So first of all, this is the QuickTable welcome page. If you don't have QuickTable yet, click on the link in the description below, and create a free account. Now, this is the home page. You just click on data connection. So click on new connection and choose Snowflake. So this appears and we have to fill it. So it's very easy. The name of our database, you can just give any name. This is Snowflake. This is Snowflake's 1 or something. Description, you can give any description of your choice. Database name, the database in that data warehouse to which you want to connect. Yeah, so I just come to data. You see different databases. So you just choose any database in your warehouse and you complete the name here. Then account, you come back to this page, you go to admin, account, and this is your account, this locator. So you copy this, copy that. Here you have to take note. Let me paste it here somewhere in the description. Your account name is this just before Snowflake. So you copy that. That is your account name. So your account is not the whole link. It's just that this part of the link, the one in the middle, just before Snowflake. So this, and cancel it out. Don't need it anymore. And warehouse is the same. Now here, you click on warehouse. You select any warehouse of your choice, and you fill it in here. The role is not mandatory. You also come here. You see users and roles. It's going to take some time. You select any role of your choice, and you fill it in here. Now username is your your Snowflake account name and password, and schema path, schema search path. So schema search path, you come to Snowflake and you open let's say data, and let's say you connect it to this. So you open this. Let me take this one. Yeah, let's say I want to open this table, so I have to write this as my schema search path because this is the part which I want to open, depending on what you want. So you choose any search path of your choice, and then you input it here, and you do the same thing for this part. Then you can test connection to check if there's any error. If there's no error, you click on new connection. And then I will not do that because I have one already here. I hope everything is clear. So after connecting, you will have something like this appear here. We have successfully connected our QuickTable to a Snowflake database. So let's create a project. Let's do some illustration with it. So I'll just get into project 5. Now, here, let's upload data tables from our database. So you come here, you click on, connect to a data source here. Our source was Snowflake. Now, the data, during the connection, we gave Snowflake 01. So you choose that, and then you expand here. You choose any of these data tables. You can see here I've already uploaded orders and customer. So you choose any data table of your choice, you upload it. So here we can now go to QuickTable and do some drag and create some models. All right. So here is our orders table. As you can see, it's quite huge. QuickTable loads it in a very short amount of time. So now let's do a join. Yeah, let's join both tables. Let's join both tables. You can see this is the current table. So we'll join with the customer table. Yeah, okay. Yes. What are the primary and secondary keys? Just as in SQL. So let's next. You see, this keys doesn't match. That's why it's pinkish. Let's look for keys that will match. Let's say customer cost key, other cost key, other. Yeah, this. Let's see. Yeah, now it's greenish. So this is the foreign key and this is the primary key. So we go to next. Now we're going to select columns we want to join with from the customer table. I'll just take market segment. You can take as many as you want. So I'll click on save, and it will just load for a few seconds. Yeah, after clicking on save, you see my number of columns increased to 11. Okay, now this is what is going to happen. Let's do a goodbye. Goodbye, let's say market segment. Market segment. So we want to know which market segment has the highest, maybe let's say order price or sales or something like that. So let's check customer key, other stages, total price, yeah, something like that. So we sum the total price for each market segment, you see, and we replace the original data table. Yeah, it's going to take some time to load. After that, you can see building, my market segment building has this, and automobile, blah, blah, blah. Now, this is not too good to see. So let's try to visualize it. Let's use a chart, let's say pie chart. It's going to be clear. So X dimension, we take market segment, and the Y dimension, we take total price, and boom. As simple as that, very easy. So we save this, and okay, let's save our script. Let's say script one, and save. Okay, then we can now from here we can convert these scripts to SQL and run it in our warehouse. This is a corresponding SQL code that of everything we've done now. So you just click on download, and that's it. You now take this and run it in your Snowflake warehouse. This is all I wanted to share for today. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, use QuickTable, tell a friend about QuickTable, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.